For the JSS teachers to be employed on permanent and pensionable is not a walk in the park. Sio kitu ya kusema kwa chukua hapa confirm. Allow us to look for money in supplementary to ensure that when they are promoted, they get salary.
Mheshimiwa Rais amesikia malilio yenu. Amewasikia sana. Na nataka kuhakikishia kwamba ametuambia kwamba tujipange, tuhakikishe kwamba in the next financial year tuweze kuweka budget ili watu wetu wa JSS walimu waweze kuwa confirmed. Sikuwe na wasiwasi.
These teachers of Baringo and teachers of this country, if there is no confirmation of JSS, in January we are not going to back to class. We cannot get 17,000 shillings. Come January, we shall not go back to class without teachers being confirmed.